So it is a beautiful sunny day, and it's 16th January, and I'm in a park in downtown Kobe, and they're having a memorial, Kobe Earthquake Memorial. Was it the 16th that happened? Or the 17th of January? Yeah. So 1995, the Kobe earthquake. So this is a memorial thing. So they've got like a stage here with hip-hop dancers, some trick bike cyclist guys. Lots of food. I think, yeah, tomorrow, the 17th. Yeah. Yeah, that's right, 17th. And it's a beautiful but cold day. All kinds of things going on. Basketball going on over here. Skateboarding, inline hockey. Yeah. Kobe, Japan.
Hanshin!